Meet Polly, the 5-month-old adventurer parrot. He has been living with the cat gang since he was 1 month old. Polly might be small, but he's got a big appetite, and a bigger personality. Every time the cats get their food, Polly wants to share with them. Despite their different diets and personalities, Polly and the kittens share a special bond. After all, friendship can blossom in the most unexpected places. So we decided to give Polly her own bowl of cat food. Now all the kittens and Polly are happy and everyone enjoys their meal together. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe.